Growing up, I was always sitting on the back of someone else's motorcycle. I decided I don't want to be at the mercy of someone else's decisions that they're making. If something does happen, I want it to be something that I can be responsible for. Motorcycling has given me so much. But the most important thing is just the ability to connect with people. I want to reciprocate that. I want to bring light and smiles into rooms and share with people when I treasure them and what I see about them. That also feeds into the art because drawing is so focused on looking, and I get to really know different subjects by looking back at them. Constantly you're trying to decide, do I want to stay in this place or do I want to move on? Especially as motorcycle people, we like to move on. But some of the things that keep me in New Mexico is the landscape. I love watching the sunsets here. I love our seasons, and I love our people. My name is Darwin Longfellow. I live in Taos, New Mexico, and I want to continue being there so long as the mountain will have me.